Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of car keys. These are wireless key fobs that fit a Nissan Rogue, Cube, Juke, Versa, and NV. 2008 all the way through 2014. You can purchase these off of Amazon. They are very affordable. The link to these keys are in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, do your shopping from that link, and see if your car and make and model fits as well. So really excited about this. If everything goes well, I'm going to try to program them myself. If I have success, I'll be able to show you a video. If I don't, I'm going to have to take it to a dealer. On that note, you're going to either program it yourself, have a dealer do it, and you're definitely going to need a dealer or locksmith to actually cut the key for you. I also brought my actual Nissan key so we can kind of compare the differences and similarities between the two. So here's how it's going to come to you straight from Amazon. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so first thing we get, it says if your vehicle is self-programmable, you can access instructions here. If it's not, you can't. It's right there. So that's really helpful. Go ahead, check out their website. And then let's look at the keys. Again, this was a 2-pack. They also sell them individually and based on how many buttons are required for your vehicle. My car is really basic, so unfortunately, I don't even have a trunk release button. So I have lock, unlock, and a panic button. But it's a really nice key fob. It looks really good. Really impressed with the quality of it. Really pretty nifty, pretty nice. Looks very similar to what I have right here. So I'm looking at the back right now. I can see the Nissan key actually has a Nissan logo and some fine print text and font right there that it's really hard to read, but I can barely read it. The replacement does not, but they both have the same screw location. This cutout looks a little different as well, but very similar. Yeah, but looks really good. Even the front, you can see everything right there. So lock, unlock, panic. So really neat. Make sure you can see it in both of the cameras. The one on the left is the one I just bought. The one on the right is the one from Nissan. There's the back for you as well. So yeah, they're really cool, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try to see if I can program it right now. Really excited for that. So go ahead, check these out. The link to them is in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can do your shopping and find the keys that fit your make and model. Thank you so much for being here. Please hit that like button. Please hit that sub button. I look forward to having you guys stick around my channel for a long time and to continue to showcase great products to you from Amazon and beyond. So thank you again for being here. Follow me on my website, join my newsletter, check me out on all the other social media channels as well too. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.